Hello everybody, it is my birthday and I am 17. I'm so happy. I don't know why, but it was like freezing cold. I was like gonna put this super dry onesie on. It's just like cute.
Happy birthday, dear no one. Happy birthday to you. Ooh.
Aww, thank you. So nice of you, cheeky girl.
Sometimes you can see my pimple here. Ow. Found it.
And the whole family is here celebrating the birthday. Say hi, Mum.
Happy birthday, Noah.
Aw, Mummy. Hi, Mummy. She looks so cute. This is the birthday vlog.
Anybody watching this who's been watching the rest, it's a few episodes later.
Happy birthday, Monsoon. The 17th birthday.
Grandma.
I asked her that.
Very fancy. Oh, 17.
Blow the candles.
There you go. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go!
Woo! Yes, honey.
Hey, Savage!
1, 2, 3. Woo! It looks very sexy.
No, it looks so good.
Look for his back.
1, 2, 3, go!
This is chocolate cake. Oh, this is the
Bucket hat.
Oh,
So cute.
and it's very fashionable. Like, hello there, I'm Noah. Hello, hello. Français. I'm gonna be like, hello, boys, I'm here. We're heading out to the Sziget festival today. I'm going to see Ed Sheeran today. Top is from Free People, necklaces Swarovski and H&M. Leah has got her very cute outfit on. Zara with
the scrunchie.
My jeans are from Levi's. We're looking very just cute today, guys. Hello. Hi, Mom. Are you ready to drop us off?
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Wristbands, we got them.
And we are ready to slay the life. We're inside the festival. It looks epic, not gonna lie.
Cute! And then we're gonna meet our friends.
Yeah.
Bye, guys!
Sziget!
Okay, so Shawn Mendes is coming up in like an hour. Are you excited? Yeah? Ed Sheeran is coming in an hour.
Ed Sheeran in 1 exact hour.
1 exact hour? Yeah! Yay!
Hello everyone. We've not been vlogging for like so long, but we're back on the grind today. We are currently in Greece, so
We're in Greece.
the day after tomorrow is
Her IGCSE results.
revealing, and I'm like literally gonna piss myself.
No, she's gonna shit
Yeah,
herself.
I'm gonna shit myself. Like, I look calm, but I'm really not. Kind of freaking out. We look so bad. My IGCSE results predictions.
English lit.
English lit hopefully will be an A.
Okay, literally, that grade is lit.
English language B. Because I need to get 5 Bs to get into 6th form. If I don't get 5 Bs, I'm not getting into 6th form. Ew, you smell really bad. Business studies B. Drama A/B. That's what I put. PE B. Maths C. Geography C. Spanish I think is gonna be my worst one, which I think is gonna be a C or a D. Like, actually currently shitting myself. So those are the predictions. Exam results come out at 8:01 a.m. Yeah. And she can film her panic attack when she's crying. That's so mean.
We'll see what happens. Bye!
Good morning. It's IGCSE results day today. 8:01 a.m. I know my results. What's the password? I'm scared. IGCSE results day! The lighting's not good, so I don't know where to put this camera. Password and the username. Logging in now. My heart is beating like this. I'm so scared. Like, not nice, like at all. Like, I'm so scared. And now we're recording. My mom's behind me. Oh my god. What if it's bad? If it's bad, I can't do anything. I'm actually gonna vomit. Leah. Oh, okay. I think we have to refresh the page, no? It's 8:01. I know, no, I can't. The internet's not working. At least I don't know my results then. No, in case failed. Adda Leah, I'm in the No, adda. Félek. Nagyon rossz. Félek. Megvan. Tényleg? Ne, félek. Megvan. És a maths? Megvan, no! Megvan, Manu! Megvan! Matek C. No, tényleg! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. És a C. A C. Literature élet. PEB, Geography B, Literature élet a Literature, First Language English B, Business B. I didn't get to 6th form. No. So now that I got into 6th form, hello, we are going to Elafanisi, which is like this pink beach, so that's exciting. We are matching Shangsu because it's like the new trend. We're just gonna celebrate today because I'm in year 12 and I got 4 B's and 1 A, which is like amazing, and I passed maths. So hello guys. Hello. Okay, bye. We'll see you guys at Elafanisi. We're at Elafanisi beach. Say hello. It's like literally pink. Does it show on camera? It's so pretty. Look how pink it is. It matches my little Adidas slides. Oh my god. Yes. It's pink because of the shells.
Thanks. Hi guys! Oh my god! My name is Chulak.
Hello everyone. Today we are going into this city.
Rafino. And then we have my dress, which is from Bronte Marvel. And then my hat. I'm going in the sea. Look at the sea.
She's gonna go in now.
Hi guys. So we're in Hania,
Like the old town city.
so pretty. So we're going into the church.
Hello everyone, and we just got strawberries and cream frappuccinos. Now we're gonna go to Mr. Funk. It's like this really nice donut store. Oh my god, the lighting is good today. Hello. So we're gonna go to the donut shop. We'll link it down below. Leah's being a piece of shit today. There's like 2 restaurants and our dad's friend owns them. It's soup culture and pasta culture.
Oh, there it is, soup culture. If you don't want to have Hungarian food and you're tired of it, go to pasta culture if you want. Soup culture and pasta culture. Go there. Thank you very much.
We're going in. 1 second. Hello. So we got our donuts.
We're trying the panda one.
We got the panda, we got the Raffaello, we got the Akos, the apple pie, and we got these sugar ones.
Okay, ready? Savage. It's really good. Yeah. Good, right?
Mukbang with the queens. Hello, subscribe.
Good.
Can you just say Mr. Funk?
Hannibal is so good. It's okay.
I love Raffaello balls. Very good. I need water.
Copyrighted lesson. Stop recording because we're gonna get copyrighted.